Hello, this is Dr. Nima, and we will see in this video how to import an old course content to a new course. If we have used this course and we built it up for this mod, how to use it for the next mod. So this is a little bit more advanced. I would suggest that you have someone that have done this before or an IT department person help you with this. It's not hard, but it can be tricky a little bit. I hope that this video will explain about it and just to show you how it is. And especially, maybe there are changes that will happen to the courses that we will start getting. So far, the courses are just empty shells. So this will work really fine with empty shells. But if the courses starting to build up more and more, then it'll be a little bit more trickier to import things to it. Let's go ahead and see our old course. So this is our old course that we have built up. We have made the modules. We have put some due dates, and I want you to notice the due dates because we can actually shift them. And we built everything up. We have arranged our tabs here. In our assignment, we have weighted assignments in here for everything. And this is our course that we want to work with. So let's go to settings. There are two ways of importing a course to a new course. So either you would export it first and it will be downloaded as a file and you can save it on your folders and then import it to the new course, or we'll do another way. I want you to notice here that my time zone, for me, it's different from the course zone. So I need to change that. Make sure that you change this because it can affect you. So make sure that your times are always the same. And I want to do a start and end because our courses comes with a start and end dates, and I also want to start here and to end here on a Friday. So it starts on Monday, and I have to make sure that I update the course. This step is already done for us, but just make sure about your time zone to correct it. But this is just to show you because we will shift the date due dates for some assignments. Monday starts Monday and ends on Friday. So far we just did nothing actually. We just went to setting, make sure that our time zone is right, and this is our old course. Now let's go back to the new course here. Let's say this is a new start, and you got the new shell. And as you know, the new shell usually come with 4 weeks with empty assignments and quizzes. And we want to import things to it. You can see the arrangement of the tabs here. You can go to assignments and see that we have not weighted assignments here, just in case if it was not weighted. And then we want to import the material that we used before that we built up. So go back to settings on the new course, and then here I can see that my time zone is right. My start and end dates are different, but they also start on a Monday and they end on Friday. So now we want to import the course. I'll go to import course content. If I have downloaded the file, then I'll find it here, Canvas course export package. But since I didn't download the file, I'll go copy a Canvas course. When you click copy a Canvas course, you will find all your courses, and you can actually also include completed courses to look them up. So these are the courses that are not completed for me, and if I want to include the completed courses, I'll see them. Okay, so this is our old course. Still have not changed a little bit. It should be old course. And now, when you choose this one, you can choose either all content, which means everything that we have done in this course, even the settings, the weights, everything. Or you can choose select a specific content, which can include quizzes, assignments, discussions, not all the settings. So you can have more selection in it. But this would be effective after you click the import and you can select. I would usually select all content, especially if you have everything set up well, and if your course here is just an empty shell. If your course is not an empty shell and it has something in it, then I would for sure suggest that you select specific content. So let's go ahead and do adjust events and due dates, which is a really good trick that you can shift the due dates. So here, as you can see, this course and I'm sorry, the course that we are going to export It begins, when did it begin? So we chose this because that's how it is. So we want to change it to this, right? And the old course ended on the 26th, and then we want to change it to end here. So this would shift the dates, the due dates. And now we click import, and we'll just load depending on how big the course is and how much material it's in it. It might take a little bit of time, but now it's completed. I wanted to see how things will change here because that's how we changed it in the other course. I just clicked on home. Now things have changed. As you can see, these are the new course things. They are still there, so it will not be deleted. But everything that we did from the previous course are here. And you can see that even the due dates have changed or shifted for us. Let's go to assignments to see our weights. And as you can see here, the weights have changed. And also what happened is, because we have the same assignment groups, it just added the assignments that we have to the same group. So you can see homework and exam. It has both the old one and the new one in it. And the labs as well. And the exams here is empty, so it didn't change, because here I have exam and here I have exams. So I'll just delete it. So that's what can be tricky in it. You have to go a little bit back and check. What I usually do, I delete, since especially it's just a shell and I don't have anything in it. I just go in, delete everything, and just import my old course completely. So it'll be completely new. But for the shells, you have to consider that you have like the student resources that has the syllabus and has the survey. So this is something that you might want to notice. Although the survey would come as well with your old course and it will be populated here. But these are the only things that maybe, you want to notice. And that's why it's a little bit a tricky process, although it's really useful because you're using everything that you built before. Let me just show you how we will do it if we will select some of the content instead of all of the content. So I'll just copy Canvas course. I'll do this and select specific and now upload. Now see waiting for selection and I'll just select content. Now see I can select the course setting if I want to copy that, the syllabus body, modules. If I click on the small arrow here, I can copy the modules. Assignments, I can copy all the groups of the assignments, and inside of each group I can copy the specific things, the quizzes that I have done, the question banks that I have used, and the files that I have uploaded. So this will give you a little bit more in depth to choose specific things instead of copying a complete course. And that's how we do it. Generally, just going to the settings and importing the course content. As I said before, it's a little bit a tricky thing to do. Um, and maybe in the future we'll start getting, most probably we'll start getting a little bit more built up courses instead of just an empty shell. So this will be a little bit more tricky maybe to use, and most probably you'll use it as select content, not all the course and everything in it. I hope that helped, and for sure, if you have any questions or comments, let me know. Thank you.